Using the clamps. The clamps can be used to mount Moves SLC to a gurney, stretcher, or litter to support the patient during transport. Top mounting Moves SLC. To top mount Moves SLC, start by orienting Moves SLC such that, when facing the device, the front is at the left side of the operator. Lay the Moves SLC on its side from this position. Locate the front clamp. Loosen the large wing bolt to its furthest extent to open the jaw of the clamp as wide as possible. Identify the top mount fitting projection, which will fit into the receiving slot on the bottom of the device. Insert the clamp into the receiving slot and orient it such that the word front embossed on the clamp is facing up. Insert the anchoring pin attached to the clamp by pressing the blue pin button while inserting. Locate the back clamp. Repeat the same steps as with the front clamp, starting by loosening the large wing bolt to its furthest extent. Then insert the clamp into the receiving slot on the back end of Moves SLC, orienting it such that the word back is facing up. Insert the anchoring pin attached to the clamp. It's normal for the clamps to feel slightly loose while the device is not mounted. Side mounting Moves SLC. Moves SLC can be side-mounted on either the right or left side. To side-mount Moves SLC, start by laying the device down on either side. Locate the front clamp and loosen the large wing bolt to its furthest extent. Identify the side mount fitting projections, which will fit into the receiving slots on the side of the device, close to the front. Align the clamp to the receiving slots and push the clamp upwards towards the top of the device to engage the connectors. Insert the anchoring pin attached to the clamp. Locate the back clamp. Repeat the same steps as with the front clamp, starting by loosening the large wing bolt to its furthest extent. Insert the clamp into the receiving slot located on the side of the device close to the back, then push up to engage the connectors. Insert the anchoring pin attached to the clamp. Attaching Moves SLC to a litter. The locating feature on Moves SLC's front clamp is designed to interface with the center joint on either side of a standard folding stretcher. To mount Moves SLC to a stretcher with the clamps attached to the system, first position the Moves SLC such that the front clamp is next to the center joint of the folding stretcher. Align the front clamp locating feature with the stretcher mounting hole and lower the system in place. Ensure that the back clamp also engages with the side rail of the stretcher. Tighten the wing bolt on the front clamp to secure it. Tighten the wing bolt on the back clamp to secure it. Moves SLC should now be securely mounted onto the stretcher. As an alternate method of mounting Moves SLC to the litter, begin by aligning the front clamp locating feature to the mounting hole at the center joint of the folding stretcher. Tighten the wing bolt on the front clamp until it is secure. Attach the back clamp to Moves SLC in the desired mounting position. Lift the device and align the front clamp receiving slot to the fitting projection on the front clamp. Align the back clamp such that it engages with the side rail of the stretcher. Tighten the wing bolt on the back clamp to secure it.